Yesterday I begun with the door, and now I'm gonna move on to the rest of the vehicle. So I'm gonna get every single nook and cranny of the vehicle. I'm gonna get all the vents. As you can see, the vents do have a bit of dirt. I'm gonna clean those out, and this is what I am using. I'm just using 2 microfiber towels, Garrett's Garage interior cleaner, and some cotton swabs. These ones have this tip on them. I don't really think it's gonna work all that much better, but I don't know, we'll try it out. The worst part of this vehicle is gonna be the carpets, the floor mats and the carpet. Those are gonna get fully cleaned probably next time. Right now I'm just focusing on every single surface, every single nook, all of these, because it's all in the details. If every single little detail is perfect, you're gonna get a much better experience in the vehicle. Just alone cleaning the door made it feel like it was a Bentley, although it's not a Bentley, it's a Honda. Not as fast as one, but I like Hondas. So I'm gonna hit the rear, every single surface, the sunroof. If you guys saw, just a walk through, there's a lot of dirt and stuff in here, and that will be getting cleaned. But for now, let's start cleaning. All right. This is how I do it, guys. Alright, so just you take the cotton swab, and now let me pick a dirty area. Focus. Yep. As you guys can see,